Hello and welcome everyone to this amazing Hostinger hosting deal. In this video, I will reveal two of the finest coupon codes through which you can get amazing discount when you buy your Hostinger hosting. So what you have to do is to simply click on exclusive discount link mentioned in the description of this video. This is an exclusive discount link which I have got from Hostinger for all of you. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be landed to a page like this. Now I'm going to show you how you can get as much as up to 95% discount when you buy your hosting from Hostinger. So once you're landed over here, first of all, the good thing regarding Hostinger is that all of the plans covered with 30 days money back guarantee, which is an amazing exclusive feature by Hostinger hosting. And look around on the reviews, 68,343 reviews. So let's see what the reviews are saying for Hostinger hosting. So for the hosting, 5 star, 5 star, 5 star. Everybody was so helpful, professional guides. So almost all of the reviews are 5 star reviews. Now this is an amazing thing for any hosting company, and Hostinger did it. So look around over there. You can use Hostinger Horizon to create your website or Webify app. It's an AI tool. You just have to give the command. It's automatically going to create a website. Hosting also support WordPress. You can build a WordPress website, or in case if you are using another hosting company, you can simply shift to Hostinger hosting by moving out to migrate to Hostinger, and Hostinger team is going to manage all of your website data free of cost. So scroll below. Now these are their famous hosting plans. Now the best thing is that you can get amazing discount on all of the plans. Where I said that you can get 95% discount is an amazing thing. Again, what you have to do is to simply click on the link in the description. Once you click on exclusive discount link, you are landed over here, and all of the plans have 30 days money back guarantee, cancel anytime. But my recommendation is to do a thorough research of all the plan features, function before you buy one. So after you are done with your research, simply select the choose plan with any of the plan after your research. If you ask me, I use the premium plan for the first year, and from the second year onwards, I'm using the business hosting plan. And this hosting plan is very good. All of the hosting plan is very good. My recommendation again is to do a thorough research. Now these are exclusive, already discount plans for my audience, but my recommendation again is to do a thorough research before you select any of the plan. After this, once you landed over here, Hostinger offer you 4 hosting billing periods, so you can select any for your convenience. But because these are special exclusive one-time deal for my audience, so I want you guys to take the maximum out of it. By opting for the 48 months, you can save the maximum amount of money. So you can simply opt for the 48 months or any billing period as per your convenience. You can see your hosting details over here. Now with Hostinger hosting, you are getting free domain only valid for the first year. You can claim the free domain right now over here. The free is only valid for the first year, or from the Hostinger control panel, also known as H panel. Now see your hosting details over here. See your summary over here. Now select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. You can find this coupon code in the description of this video along with a special discount link. I'm sorry, let me move back and let me show you. I wanted to show you over here. So select the have a coupon code and write this amazing coupon code. Simply apply over here, and you're gonna see that your price got a further discount on already running discount. Isn't it amazing? Now there is another coupon code as well. You can use either of the coupon code to get an amazing discount at Hostinger hosting. So once you apply this coupon code, you're gonna see that 48 months at almost 80%, 81%, you are getting daily backups, free domain, and additional 10%. It's more than 95% on your original amount. After this, you can see your 30 days money back, and simply select the continue. You may be asked to log in at your at Hostinger account, or synchronize with your Google account, or create a new account at Hostinger by writing your email ID. I'm going to synchronize and show you then. So I just synchronized with my Google ID, and now I'm here at the last part. Now what you have to do is just simply write your bank details over here. The procedure does not take much of your time. And before you buy your hosting, you need to add your payment method. Now hosting will offer you variety of payment methods, guys. You can pay via credit card, PayPal, Google Pay, Alipay, CoinGate Crypto. So guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose your payment. So I'm going to select add a new payment for a credit card, write my credit card details, and simply select the submit payment. And once I select the submit payment, within few minutes I'm going to get an email from Hostinger with all of my hosting account details. So just for a revision, I've been using this hosting from last 5 years, and my experience with this hosting is amazing. Hosting is just amazing hosting company. My recommendation is to simply grab this amazing deal. So what you have to do is simply click on an amazing discount link mentioned in the description of this video and use eyes of the coupon code to get amazing discount at Hosting or Hosting. Good luck with this hosting. Good luck.